Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to download videos from Facebook. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to download videos from Facebook, you can use a third-party app or website. Here are the steps. Now open up your Facebook app on your mobile device and find the video you want to download. Then on the three dot on the upper right corner, tap the copy link. Then it's already copied on the clipboard. Now, open up a browser and go to Facebook Video Downloader. And here you can see a various website that you can download. So right now, I'm going to use this save from .net. So once you're inside the website, just paste here the URL. Now, you can download this video and press the download. And you can choose which quality would you like to choose. Just close the necessarily app. So now it's already downloaded and we can open it. So just to show you, let's check if it's already saved in my gallery. So here you can see that it's already downloaded. So please take note that downloading someone else's video without their permission may be a violation on the Facebook terms of service and could result in the removal of the video or even suspension of your account. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!